How to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Once you're here, go to Account Center. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Password and Security. Now, go to the Login and Recovery section. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Here, choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. Once you're here, tap on SMS or WhatsApp. Then, tap on Next below. Over here, enter your mobile number and then tap on Next again. This phone number will be enabled for two-factor authentication and login. A confirmation code will then be sent to your number. Enter the 6-digit code over here and tap on Next. After that, tap on Done below. Your two-factor authentication via SMS or WhatsApp is now turned on. You can always turn it back off from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Facebook.